In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view bar graphs in Monarch Money effortlessly. Monarch Money is a robust financial management tool that lets you keep track of your finances all in one place. Today, we'll focus on harnessing the power of bar graphs within Monarch Money to make sense of your financial data in a clear and visual way. To start, let's head over to the Monarch Money dashboard. This is your home base where you'll find all the essential features you need for financial tracking. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure you do that first. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard page. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, which displays an overview of your finances. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you will see a navigation pane. Here, you will want to find and click on Reports. Reports is where you can access a variety of data visualizations that Monarch Money offers. By clicking on Reports, you're opening the door to a deeper dive into your financial trends and performance. Now, within the Reports section, locate and click on the Cash Flow option. This is a crucial area because it gives you insight into how much money is coming in and going out over a certain period. Once you're in the Cash Flow section, you'll notice several visual representation options. The one we want to focus on today is the bar graph. Bar graphs are particularly useful for comparing data across different categories or time periods, providing a straightforward way to visualize trends. Once you've clicked on the bar graph, you'll have two viewing options to choose from. The first option is to break down your cash flow by categories, where you can see which areas of spending are taking up the largest portions of your budget. This breakdown can be incredibly illuminating, helping you identify categories where you might be overspending or finding areas where you might want to allocate more funds. The second option is to compare your income and expenses over time. This view is fantastic for observing trends in your financial activity, seeing whether you are consistently earning more than you spend or vice versa. It provides a clear snapshot of your financial health over defined periods, helping you pinpoint months where you might want to tighten your budget or increase savings. By utilizing these bar graphs, you have the tools to make smarter financial decisions by coming face to face with your data in a way that numbers alone just can't provide. Remember, these graphs are there to aid you in managing your finances better. And that's it. Viewing bar graphs in Monarch Money is as simple as that. With just a few clicks, you can start exploring your financial trends in vivid detail, empowering you to make informed decisions about your money